How to day trade on Plus500. To day trade on Plus500, start by registering on their official website and creating either a demo or real account. You'll need to verify your identity and deposit funds through your preferred payment method. Once logged in, explore the platform's interface to get comfortable with the charting tools, indicators, and order settings. When you're ready to trade, choose a financial instrument such as Forex or commodities. If you believe the price will go up, place a buy order. If you expect it to fall, choose sell. You can customize your trade by setting the amount, leverage, stop loss, and take profit levels to manage risk. To improve your skills, use Plus500's Trading Academy, watch tutorials, and practice with the demo account. Keep in mind that CFD trading is high risk, so stay informed, keep learning, and manage your capital wisely. Thanks for watching.